I've enjoyed my river fishing recently. I'm now back on a still water common denominator, always a flask of tea. I've cast out, it's looking good, the named storm, which we didn't get it too bad where I live, although other parts of the country did. Northern Ireland and Scotland, Northern England in particular, not too bad, but 40 to 50 mile an hour winds during the night mostly, and then into this morning. So I did other stuff first thing, and then out this afternoon for a session. It's still breezy, but the storm has now pretty much passed, made its way through. I'm drinking tea. Will I be back with a fish? Yes, I will. A roach. Slight movement on the float, and I'm lifting into and bringing it on the bank. A roach, as I promised, as I predicted, and there it is. See if I can get a grip on it. It's quite slippery. Not bad, not bad, especially from the venue, a small pool. Can you hear that? It's a raven. Flying very low, tree top level. Not sure if it came out on the screen. I don't think it would have done from the direction and the angle of the phone, but always great to hear and see, of course. Very common now, ravens, in the area where I live and beyond. I don't show all of them, of course, to the camera, especially when they are small and that particular size, but whatever you catch in, it's great, isn't it? Especially in January.